Hi everyone and welcome to my kitchen. Do you sometimes wonder what you should do with the whey water that is left over after making paneer or cottage cheese? Did you know that whey water is packed with carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and minerals, and it can be used in several ways? Like you can make healthy oats dosa with it, a recipe I posted a few months ago. Today I'm going to share with you recipes of 2 whey water lemonades that are bright and refreshing. So let's beat the summer heat with these healthy drinks. I have about 2 cups of whey water. Make sure to strain the whey water thoroughly. You don't want bits of paneer in your drink. And also when you're making your paneer, make it with lime juice instead of vinegar. Alright, let's make mint lemonade first. Other than whey water, we need 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice, half a cup of mint leaves, sugar to taste, salt to taste. I'm using 1 cup of sparkling water. You can surely use soda as well. Add half a cup of whey water to a blender jar. Make sure you chill the whey water before using it. Add sugar to taste. I'm adding 1 tablespoon. Sprinkle some salt. Add 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Add in the mint leaves and blend that thoroughly. Blend it a little long so that the sugar dissolves. Now strain the mixture. I'm transferring this to a larger glass. Add another half a cup of whey water. So we used 1 cup of whey water in total. And add equal amount of sparkling water or soda, which is 1 cup. Give it a quick stir and done. This lemonade has such a refreshing taste. I can't wait till you taste it. Alright, let's make ginger lemonade next. The ingredients are the same except I used a 1-inch piece of ginger that I roughly chopped instead of the mint leaves. So again, add half a cup of chilled whey water to a blender jar. Add in a tablespoon of sugar. Sprinkle some salt. Add in 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice. Add in the ginger pieces. And blend that thoroughly. Blend it long enough so that the sugar dissolves. Strain it. Again, I'm pouring this into a larger glass. Add another half a cup of whey water. So we used 1 cup of whey water in total. And we're adding the same amount of sparkling water or soda, which is another 1 cup. Give it a quick stir and done. Add in some ice if you wish. Why not, right? These drinks are so refreshing. So on a hot summer's day, just take a sip of this and forget about the heat. Hope you enjoyed this quick recipe. If yes, do share it with your friends. If you are on Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter or Instagram, don't forget to follow me. And for written recipes, do visit my blog. All the links are in the description. If you haven't already, do check out my channel. And if you like the recipes, do subscribe. I post recipes every week. And do press the bell icon to get notified as soon as I post my next recipe. Alright then, see you next week. Bye-bye.